Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 in the Allure specification. It comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside of the car there's 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside of the car you've got part leather interior. There's a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB radio as well as Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, and the car's £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.